Hello, fellow introverts and socially anxious adventurers. Welcome back to the Introverts Guidebook. Today, we're diving into the world of making your first doctor's appointment and attending it. We understand that these seemingly simple tasks can feel overwhelming for us introverts, but fear not. We've got you covered with a step-by-step guide and tips to make the process smoother. Let's get started. Before you make the call, do a little research. Find out the clinic's location, office hours, and the doctor's specialization. Knowing these details will give you a sense of familiarity and help calm those nerves. As introverts, we often feel more comfortable with a script. Jot down the key points you want to discuss with the doctor. This could include your symptoms, concerns, and any questions you might have. Having a script can help you feel more in control during the appointment. Now, let's make the call. Choose a time when you know you'll have privacy and won't be rushed. Take a deep breath, dial the number, and be prepared to leave a voicemail if needed. When the receptionist answers, keep it simple and friendly. Introduce yourself and say you'd like to schedule an appointment. They might ask for your availability, reason for the appointment, and some personal details. Remember, they're just doing their job and are there to help you. After scheduling the appointment, ask for a confirmation. This can be through a text message, email, or written down on your calendar. Having these details handy will give you a sense of security. The day before the appointment, remind yourself of the purpose and importance of the visit. Lay out your clothes, prepare your script, and gather any necessary documents. Knowing you're organized will ease your mind. On the day of the appointment, arrive a little early. This way, you can familiarize yourself with the surroundings and minimize the rush. Bring a book, magazine, or some headphones to keep yourself occupied while waiting. When it's your turn, take a deep breath and enter the doctor's office. You've got this. Begin by introducing yourself and sharing your concerns using your prepared script. Remember, the doctor is there to help and will appreciate your proactive approach. Feel free to ask any questions you have. Remember, there's no such thing as a silly question. Doctors are there to provide information and support. Don't hesitate to take notes if it helps you remember the details. Congratulations, you did it. After the appointment, take a moment to reflect on your achievement. If the doctor prescribed any medications or recommended follow-up visits, make sure to note them down. That wraps up our Introvert's Guide to making your first doctor's appointment and attending. Remember, every step you take toward overcoming social anxiety is a victory. Be kind to yourself and take things at your own pace. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay strong and keep embracing your introverted awesomeness.